Hello friends, welcome to ASAP German Language Institute. My name is Anand and this is the 12th video of our complete series of Goethe A2 exam preparation. In this video, we are going to talk about Schreiben module Teil 2. So let's see how is it. Okay, now this video. In this video, we are going to see Teil 2 of Schreiben module A2 Prüfung A2 exam Schreiben Teil 2. So here you will have mostly one email to write and that will be formal. In earlier video we have seen you have to write one informal SMS to your friends. Here you have to write one formal email to someone. The situation will be given. Okay, every time there will be different situation, of course. So let's see what is the situation here. What uh, theme is given? Ihr Chef, not chef literally. Okay, your boss. Your boss, Ihr Chef, Herr Lehmann, hat bald Geburtstag. So who has birthday here? Lehmann has birthday. Herr Lehmann. Er hat Ihnen eine Einladung zu seiner Feier geschickt. He has sent you an invitation for his celebration. Schreiben Sie Herr Lehmann ein email. You have to write one email. So, and you are writing it to your boss, so it has to be formal. Now, what 3 points you need to cover here? Bedanken Sie sich und sagen Sie, dass Sie kommen. You should say thanks for the invitation and confirm that yes, I'm coming or surely I'm coming. Informieren Sie, dass Sie jemanden mitbringen. You have to inform him that you are bringing someone with you. Let's say your friend or your some relative, let's say your wife, your husband, your boyfriend, girlfriend. Okay. So then fragen Sie nach dem Weg. Ask for the direction, way, route. Okay, so these 3 points you have to cover. How many? 30 to 40 words. Okay, I hope you understood the theme here, and let's see the sample answers given by the examiners. So here, the first one, Sehr geehrter Herr Lehmann. Now we will compare here both the answers and we can mix few things here just to make it more appropriate. Okay, so here, Ich danke Ihnen für Ihre Einladung. Now, please note that these are sample answers given, and sample answers they have taken from maybe some students' answers, and here are few mistakes. Okay, so these are not typing mistakes. They have intentionally given like these are the sample answers. So you can make this email more perfect by making some changes. Let's see what changes you can make here. Okay, so here is danke Ihnen. The I should be capital, right? Ihnen, because you're talking to that person formally. So it has to be I capital. Okay, Ihnen. Ich danke Ihnen für Ihre, for your invitation. If you have learned German, you know that these both the things should be formal and I should be capital. Ihre Einladung. Ich werde kommen. I will come. Or ich komme sicher, you can say. Ich komme sicher, I'm coming for sure. Ich komme sicher or ich werde kommen. Es hat mich gefreut. Es hat mich gefreut. Es means it has pleased me or I'm pleased to have the invitation. So es hat mich gefreut. Darf ich mein Ehemann Julian mitbringen? Now one who is writing this email is a lady. You can see at the bottom Sarah, and she is saying, can I bring my husband Julian with me? And then next, es tut mir leid, ich habe den Weg vergessen. I'm sorry, I have forgotten the way. Können Sie, könnten is more polite. You know that it is conjunctive zwei from können. So this is more polite. Could you, können Sie den Weg beschreiben? Können Sie den beschreiben? Now here is another mistake. Ich habe den Weg vergessen. It is accusative. Ich habe den Weg vergessen. Könnten Sie den beschreiben? Could you please describe that? Here them is given, which is actually grammatically wrong because it is not dative case, it is accusative case. Okay, so but they have also given you the one example like mostly the articles or accusative dative won't be that much important in this email. Okay, the sentence structure and you're managing to express what you want to say, fair grammar you have used, that is enough. but to make it more correct, you can change that to then. Okay, then ich warte auf Ihre Antwort. Again, I has to be capital here. I'm waiting for your answers. Mit freundlichen Danken, Zara Dubios. Okay, so I hope you understood how the answer is. Let's see the second one. What another option examiners have given. Guten Tag, Herr Lehmann. So this also you can literally use. If you are having a regular conversation, then you can also use Guten Tag, Herr Lehmann. Okay, so Dankeschön für seine Einladung. Now here it is very much wrong, you know. Here it should be Ihre Einladung. Dankeschön für Ihre Einladung. Ich komme zu seiner Feier. It should be Ihrer. Mit meine Frau. Mit is dative, so it should be meiner Frau. Frau is feminine. Mit is dative. Wir haben das exotische Geschenk aus Thailand für Sie. So instead of das, you should use ein. Okay, we have a exotic gift, not the exotic gift, but fine. This won't be much important here. But first two mistakes are actually major mistakes. Seiner means his, and you have to say your. So that changes the meaning completely. So here you will lose more marks. Okay, and then können Sie eine Karte mit dem Weg via email senden. So fine, this is correct. Can you send one card with the way or detail address on that? Mit freundlichen Grüßen and then the name. So this is how it should be, but this one is bit short. You can continue with this also. I guess 30 words are there in this email also, but check those mistakes there. Okay, so this is how you should write the email. And now it is your turn. I will show you your question paper and you have to write that email. Okay, so here, let's see what you have to write. Sie haben ein Hotelzimmer gebucht. Sie wollten eigentlich am Freitag kommen. You have booked one hotel room. You wanted to come on Friday. Leider können Sie jetzt erst am Sonntag kommen. But now at the earliest you can come on Sunday. So when you are not going on Friday and you can come on Sunday, you are writing one email on Frau Ilmaz from hotel. Means you are writing email to Frau Ilmaz, who is probably the employee at that hotel. Now, let's see what 3 points you need to cover here. Erklären Sie, warum Sie schreiben. Explain why you have to write. Informieren Sie, wie lange Sie jetzt bleiben möchten. Now inform how long. Is there any change in your plan? Like earlier you thought about maybe 2 days and now is it 3 days or what? That you have to inform. Fragen Sie nach einem neuen Preisangebot. Ask about the new price now. As the schedule is changing, probably the prices are changing. So you need to ask about the new prices. And you have to write this in 30 to 40 words. Okay, so it is your turn now. Think about it. Write one email somewhere in Word file or like that, and then copy and paste in the comment box. And there we'll discuss then. You also should read others' emails and reply to their emails, like, you know, whatever right, wrong you find, or if you have any queries. So let's have that conversation. Our comment box is our classroom, yeah, discussion forum. So we'll learn a lot from there as well. So then once you have shared the answers, you can continue with the video. And now I'm showing you what examiners have given here. Sehr geehrte Frau Ilmaz, gestern habe ich ein Hotelzimmer gebucht. Es tut mir sehr leid. I'm sorry, dass ich kann nicht am Freitag anreisen. But thus you have used here, that is A2 grammar topic, then can should be at the end of the sentence, means that should be here before comma. Okay. Sondern am Sonntag. In fact, you can come, but you can come on Sunday. Ich würde gern 5 Tagen bleiben. Now I would like to stay for 5 days. Könnten Sie bitte ein neuen Preisangebot machen? Could you please share me the new price? Ich warte auf Ihre baldige Antwort. Simply write down Ihre Antwort. Okay. Ihre again should be I, right? Because it is formal one with freundlichen Grüßen and your name. So here is one sample answer given. Let's see the second one. Liebe Frau Wilmaz, this one is too short. Okay, you should ignore this completely. Okay, let's go ahead with this and let me check your answers as well in the comment box. Okay, so that's it. That was Teil 2 of Lesen. So guys, that was our Schreiben module, Teil 2. I hope your answers are ready. The comment box is waiting for you. Write down your answers in the comment box. Also read other students' answer and you will get better ideas then to write next time better, even better. Yeah, so and in the next video, we are starting with our Sprechen module. So don't skip any video, just 3 to 4 more videos and this series will be complete then. Okay, see you in our next video then. Cheers.